Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies. Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies is a company founded in 2003 in Singapore, serving a diverse range of industries with various fuel cell electric energy solutions and products. Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies products and solutions are enabled by in-house manufacturing of micro-size to multi-kilowatt scale proton exchange membrane fuel cells, combined with a choice of proprietary on-demand hydrogen storage and production methods, including hydrolysis, electrolysis, and reformer-based solutions. Horizon has so far focused its efforts on the commercialization of sub-kW fuel cell solutions, which consume less hydrogen and thus rely less on the existence of a hydrogen station infrastructure to succeed in the market. By following an incremental strategy that centers around practical on-demand hydrogen fuel supply solutions with decreasing costs, Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies has grown to become the world's largest volume producer of fuel. History. In 2004, Horizon launches its first PM fuel cell stacks with a focus on a simplified self-humidified air breathing architecture, and begins a series of design and development iterations that reduce fuel cell costs by several orders of magnitude. In 2005, with the completion of a first low-cost single cell, Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies creates its first commercial micro-size fuel cell product, designed as a basic science experiment kit. Soon after, Horizon miniaturizes hydrogen fuel cell car together with a real working solar hydrogen station, and launches the H-Racer, which is named Transportation Best Invention of the Year 2006 by Time and one of 11 coolest new products on the planet by Business 2.0. This led to the progressive commercialization of over 30 energy-related science experiment products and an alliance in 2010 with 3D Classworks to promote greater environmental awareness for sustainable energy amongst students around the world in a joint program called Destination Zero Carbon. In 2013, Horizon launches IH2Go, its latest hydrogen car miniature merging an iOS-enabled remote control app, Horizon's latest hybrid micro-fuel cell power systems, and a USB-enabled hydrogen station. In April 2007, Horizon's fuel cells are used to power the world's first unmanned zero-emission fuel cell-powered jet-wing aircraft, and set a new FAI flight distance record in a 5 kg UAV developed by Cal State Lab backed by NASA and U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory. In August, the 2007 Innovative Energy Technology Developer of the Year Award in the Asia-Pacific region has been presented to Horizon Fuel Cell Technologies. 2. Horizon also begins works on the world's lowest-cost reversible metal hydride, which led to the commercialization of HydroStick cartridges. Together with HydroStick and a metal hydride charging station named Hydrofill, Horizon introduces a palm-size micro-portable fuel cell USB power supply named Minipack at the 2009 Consumer Electronics Show. It wins 2012 Gadget of the Year status for Game Critic and was acclaimed by renewable industry specialists. During the same year, and following a string of small Horizon-enabled fuel cell electric aircraft flight tests in the US and Europe, Horizon launches a separate subsidiary in Singapore named Horizon Energy Systems HES, and in 2010 unveils a first 450 Wh/kg battery alternative prototype named Aeropack. HES is now aiming to exceed 1,000 Wh/kg with its latest on-demand hydrogen technologies. In 2010, BOC, now part of Lind Group, introduced a Horizon-made 150 W portable fuel cell power supply named Hymera, which begins sales in the United Kingdom. It is used in a variety of low-energy, high-efficiency applications such as construction and railway maintenance, and increasingly in off-the-grid lighting projects. In 2012, Horizon starts to work on hydrocarbon to hydrogen steam reforming, with a commercial product launch of stationary solutions planned in 2014. 2013 sees the launch of Hydromax VRLA battery charger for recreational vehicles and yachts, as well as Aquagen, a scalable 200W-50 kW backup power system for telecom, data centers, and security solutions. In January, the fuel cell-powered H-Rover is unveiled at the Nuremberg International Toy Fair. The Hydropack is launched, representing a breakthrough 9% WT hydrogen storage method. Products. Horizon's technology platform has three main parts: PM fuel cells, micro fuel cells and stacks, and their materials: hydrogen supply, electrolysis, reforming and hydrolysis, as well as hydrogen storage and pressure-related devices. From this platform stem several market-focused business units within the company, with their own lines of commercial products. Fuel cell stacks are offered in three ranges: standard off-the-shelf PM fuel cell systems available from 10W to 5kW, as well as customized fuel cell system configurations up to 150kW. Premium H-1000 XP 1kW stacks, which has achieved a peak efficiency of 59% during real test with one of the teams at Shell Eco Marathon in Asia. Ultra-light and compact aerostacks from 200W to 1000W. Educational products and kits. Started in 2005 with a toy car used to demonstrate a newly invented thin-film micro-fuel cell. In 2010, Horizon won an international tender to supply the U.S. national science competition with a fast-moving fuel cell car kit used in a competitive racing format. This led to the start of Destination Zero Carbon, a global STEM education program. The South African Agency for Science and Technology and the National Research Foundation have put together a video about the importance of making science fun to boost research. Horizon's H-Cell product is featured in the video. In May 2013, French Minister of Industry, Frédéric Cuvelier, hands out the St. Joe 24-hour Races Trophy Cup specially made for this challenge, which was to keep a hydrogen-powered car using rainwater, with hydrolysis done by solar panels, working under competitive conditions for 24 hours non-stop. The winning car was powered by Horizon fuel cell. It was the first time that a hydrogen-powered car finished the 24-hour race, a 1/10 replica of 24 hours of Le Mans for radio-controlled car. Portable fuel cells are designed to offer the benefit of long-duration, clean electric power generation in various off-grid emergency situations. They are declined in Minipack for cell phones, smartphones, GPS handhelds, GoPro-type cameras or MP3 players. Hydropack 50kW 100kW easy to carry anywhere, with no harmful emissions, quiet, and with ready-to-use energy cartridges with unlimited storage life. Hydromax, a deep-cycle battery capacity extender for recreational use RV, yachting stationary backup power are developed internally or with integrators and partners seeking to develop cost-effective solutions. The transport division works closely with integration partners that cater both to the car industry, supplying fuel cells to the Riversimple urban car or microcab, and offers an electric bike kit, a plug-and-play hydrogen fuel cell system designed to hybridize with existing electric bikes. The aerospace division focuses on lightweight alternatives to batteries, where fuel cell systems combined with high-performance hydrogen generators increase electric flight durations by several orders of magnitude. Early applications include wildlife poaching activity over large territories, pipeline monitoring, border patrol, and geological surveys. A world record was set in 2007 with Pterosaur, a 5kW aircraft developed with Oklahoma State University and Cal State. It flew 120 km 78 miles, beating the previous record of 50 miles, set in Estonia in 2006, consuming giving the aircraft a potential flight range of 500 km 310